Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 mistakes that lead to business failure and explore how to avoid them. We'll look at the key pitfalls, discuss the legal issues surrounding them, and share some tips to help your business succeed. Mistake number 1, lack of market research. Failing to conduct adequate market research is one of the leading causes of business failure. Without a clear understanding of your target audience, your competitors, and market trends, risk offering products or services that no one wants or needs. Lack of market research can also lead to intellectual property issues. Businesses may inadvertently infringe on a competitor's intellectual property if they haven't thoroughly examined the competitive landscape. To avoid this mistake, invest time in market research before launching and keep updated on your industry trends. Next, use focus groups, surveys, and competitor analysis. Third, engage with a professional to conduct intellectual property searches to avoid legal risks. Mistake number 2, insufficient funding. Starting a business without sufficient capital is a significant risk. Running out of money can lead to unpaid debts, missed payroll, or even bankruptcy. Companies unable to pay their debts can face bankruptcy proceedings initiated by creditors. For directors, the failure to manage finances responsibly can result in claims for reckless trading in some countries. In Singapore, directors can be held personally liable for the company's debts. Under the Insolvency, Restructuring and Dissolution Act, directors can be held liable for reckless trading, also known as wrongful trading, and can be held personally liable for all or part of the company's debts or liabilities if they knew or ought to have known that the company was trading wrongfully. To avoid this, create a realistic budget with ample reserves for unforeseen expenses. Explore alternative funding options such as grants, loans, or investments. You should also regularly assess cash flow and, if necessary, consult financial advisors for better money management. Poor financial management can lead to issues with tax compliance and penalties. In Singapore, failure to file accurate tax returns and to comply with GST obligations can result in hefty fines. To avoid this mistake, develop a robust financial plan that includes accurate accounting and tax planning. Consider hiring an accountant or bookkeeper and regularly review financial statements and set aside funds for tax obligations. Mistake number 4, lack of a clear business plan. Without a clear roadmap, businesses can lose direction, making it difficult to scale, adapt, or achieve their goals. A well-structured business plan is essential when seeking loans or investors, as it establishes credibility and protects against a potential contract dispute. To avoid this, draft a thorough business plan, including goals, strategies, and financial projections. Update the plan periodically based on business performance and engage with professionals to structure contracts and manage investor relations. Mistake number 5, ignoring customer feedback. Not paying attention to customer feedback can result in products or services that fail to meet market expectations, leading to decreased customer loyalty and revenue. Ignoring customer feedback, especially regarding product safety or quality, could expose your business to liability claims. In Singapore, the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act protects consumers from defective goods. To avoid this mistake, regularly collect and analyze customer feedback. Take proactive steps to address customer concerns, especially on product safety. Implement quality control processes to reduce the risk of liability issues. Avoiding these common mistakes can make a significant difference in a business's survival and growth. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore 5 more pitfalls that lead to business failure. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.